class. Already I have done half lesson. So let me continue with the remaining part. So children, what is the story? Do you remember? So elder brother, he had been for a walk and he could see that everywhere he could see children, they are playing. So they are so happy. So how these children are playing? So they are playing with the leaves, grass, and you can see in the picture here. So they are so happy. They are he could make out by seeing their faces, and then and also he also worried. Why elder brother was worried? What made him worry about these children means? So he will think that if one day if they're sad or hungry, so what is going to happen to them? And then what he will do? He will make up mind that he will think about these children, that he should do something special so that that could make them happy always. So he wanted the children to see happy always. So if someday if they are sad, so what would happen? And he will do something special for this children. So what he will do? Do you remember what he will do? He will take a big bag there and he will collect some things in that. He is having some idea in his mind. So what is that? What he will collect there, children? He will collect the colorful flowers, red and yellow leaves, and then few feathers of peacock and blades of green grass and golden corn, and also he added a bit of sunshine there. And what was his idea? So till here I have done in the previous class. So he will collect all these things, and something he is having in his mind, and he wanted the children to show that, and he wanted to see how these children will feel after seeing that one. So let us continue the lesson, children. Page number 25 in that. So what after he will collect all these things in a big bag. You can see in the picture he is holding in his hand here. So he will put everything in his bag, and then what he will do? He will call the children. Children, please come here and open this bag. Brother said to the children. So he will call the children, and all the children will run and come near him, and we'll see what is going to happen there. Turn to page number 26, children. The children did so, and out flew thousands of wonderful, colorful creatures with wings. They were the colors of all the beautiful things in the world. So elder brother called these children and he told them to open the bag. And then when the children opened the bag, they could see thousands of wonderful, colorful creatures with wings. So they are seeing for the first time. The children did not see these butterflies. Okay, they are seeing for the first time. So they could see thousands of wonderful, colorful creatures with wings. They were the colors of all the beautiful things in the world. So you can see in the picture, when they opened the bag, they could see these little creatures with the wings there. So then this children doesn't know that is a butterfly, that they are butterfly, they doesn't know. So they started asking, what are they, cried the children. So they started asking after seeing that. So they started asking, they laughed and clapped with joy as creatures flew about their heads. So you can see here, they danced and laughed and clapped there after seeing these creatures that flew about their heads. You can see in the picture also. So even you people will feel happiness, children, when you see the butterflies. You try to catch it, isn't it? So even these children, they clapped and danced and they were happy to see this little creatures. Okay, they doesn't know what it is. Then they will ask the elder brother, what are they? Then elder brother, even you could see that these children are so happy to see that one, and he felt very happy, and then he will tell them, these are new creatures called butterflies. He will tell to the children, these are new creatures called butterflies, said elder brother to the children. And also he will tell, I made them for you. If time comes when you are sad, the sight of these butterflies, they can cheer you up, he will tell. Okay, he will say, I made them for you. If time comes when you are sad, the sight of these butterflies may cheer you up. So for that reason I have made these new creatures, he will tell, and also he will tell that these creatures are called butterflies. Okay. So that was the idea. He wanted the children always, he wanted to see them happy there. So if when they are sad, when they see these butterflies, so they will cheer up, they will feel happy. So for that reason I have made, he will tell. And to this day it is so. The butterflies dance and flutter and fly and make children happy. So like this, the butterflies are made. So how elder brother made these butterflies. Even to this day, so you people means children, they love to see these butterflies. butterflies that flutter and fly and they make the children happy. So that is the story here, children. Okay, I hope you have understood. Read the story, pronounce the words properly. Okay, in the next class, let us discuss few meanings from this lesson, and one poem is also there. Let us discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you.